Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And today we are going to have a working vlog or a florist vlog. So now I am at, oh wait, before we get started, don't forget to like and share this video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to it. Did I say that right? I don't know. Anyway, I'm down here in downtown LA. I'm picking up my flowers for my event. I'm trying something new, so let's see how this goes. I'm trying to place orders down here because I have better chances of getting the flowers that I want than what I used to. So, and then like, I had an event a few months ago and I got like these purple Lysianthus and they were so bad. So I'm like, yeah, I have problems with a lot of vendors. That's one of the biggest things that kind of makes me mad. But anyway, we're going to go pick up these flowers. We're going to pick up some vases. Then I have to drive all the way to Palm Springs and pick up a rug for this BoHo event. And then I have to also go to like at home and get some more rugs to go down the aisle. So let's get started. So I make this 2-hour drive to Palm Desert to pick up the rug that's going to be in the ceremony. And the only reason why I picked it up this way is because I didn't want to pick it up in LA and then have to come out here on Sunday and then have to go all the way back to LA, even though I was out in LA. So I think this was easier. I drove out here. I'm gonna go home. It's a 2-hour drive, like I said. I'm going to, and then on Sunday when I have to, or Monday when I have to come back out here to pick up the stuff, I could just drop it off at the out here instead of going to LA, pick it up, going to LA. Anyway, so I'm just now getting, what time is it? 12 o'clock. I'm getting me something to eat and then I am done. Oh, well, I do have to hydrate the flowers and I'm done for the day. Hallelujah. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kinsey. Happy birthday to you. I know. Today is Saturday. I dropped off one of my orders and the lady wasn't happy. She wasn't happy with the color combination, but that was the color she told me. So I've been a little sad today because I hate disappointing people. You know, you always run in every now and then to someone you disappointed, and she did not love my color combination. And I know that's one thing I do need to work on. It's like I'm drawn to like really soft palettes. So like even my wedding tomorrow, it's like a burgundy, a peach, and a brownish tone. So it's like really, it's soft, and so it's really pretty to me. But I was looking back on when she was when she was like inquiring to do it. I should have went, because she was like, I want jewel tone. So I did jewel tones. When you think of jewel tones, you guys, don't you think of like emerald green, ruby red, sapphire, like what's another color? Like the a purplish. So I incorporated all those colors and she didn't like it. So I was looking at another one and I wish I would have went with more of what I would have liked, which was the purple, with the purple and pink with just a touch of blue in it. And then the greenery I would have picked up with greens and ignored the pictures that she sent me that had like that red in it and that yellow in it. So oh well, you know, I sent her over my color palettes and I sent her over the example of flowers. She didn't look at it. So it's not really my fault. It's just I hate when people are unhappy. I love when they love their stuff. It's like the best feeling ever. Plus I'm an overachiever. Anyway, so today we are Friday we did my centerpieces, which let me show you one. So it's really hard to see. I love it, love it, love it. I don't know. Is it coming off really pretty on here? I have some, let me see this side. I have some, this is the side that I really like. I have some magnolia leaves that I'm going to put into it. Hold on one second, you guys. This is the light that's giving off a really bad haze. But I have some magnolia leaves that I'm going to put in here a little bit. But I'm so loving this look. It is so pretty to me. Very, her look is boho or bohemian. So, I just love it. You know, the abstract of one and stuff over here. When it gets on the table, it's going to be gorgeous. So that's the day. Okay, you guys. And, go ahead and watch me. Yeah, that's that glare is coming from the, let's go this way. There we go. That glare was coming from the window. Anyway, you can see my mood is so down. I'm so down. And I should not let it get me, but stuff like that, I don't know if you're like me. I'm a people pleaser. I'm in the business of pleasing people. And when they just don't like something, it's hard for me to pick myself up. So anyway, sorry about that, you guys. We're gonna just make some boutonnieres today. I'm gonna finish up my boutonnieres, toss bouquet, and then I'm gonna pack up everything for her ceremony. And I'm gonna get everything ready for tomorrow so that once I get there, all I have to do is just really set up everything. There's only one thing that I need to really need to get together, and other than that, by tomorrow morning, it's going to look really, really good. I mean, I'm going to be really, really set. My goal this year was to not, oh my gosh. So that the end of last year, I was forgetting stuff like the shoot that I did for the Christmas trees. I had left my candles and stuff here. So this year, nope. Everything is going to be done and ready. We're going to be ready to go. So we're going to finish these boutonnieres, and you're going to see me make my boutonnieres, and then you'll see me play with my, I think I'm going to do, yeah, you'll see me play with my girls' bouquets, and then tomorrow morning I'll make her bouquet. And then you'll see me pack up the van, and I think everything else is good. So let me get started with making 16 boutonnieres, and they're really simple, really easy. So it should be fun. So keep on watching.
I just cried, I know.